If you are a mechanic, carpenter, or someone who is always working on a DIY project, you've probably accumulated several tools, and those tools need a home. We've researched and tested tool chests from the top brands, evaluating durability, quality, storage capacity, and value. Our top pick is the GEARWRENCH 20-inch 3-drawer steel tool chest, a sturdy steel beast with enough room to store a massive tool collection. Here are the best tool chests available online. Number 1, GEARWRENCH 83151 Tool Chest, 2.0. The first model on this list, the 83151 model by GEARWRENCH, is a 20-inch tool chest/box. Primarily aimed at mobile mechanics or those looking for a second tool chest after exhausting their main one's storage capacity, GEARWRENCH's tool chest is one of the best budget tool chests available to buy out there. It is a highly portable unit with decent storage capacity and ergonomic handles for easy handling. The 83151 model comes with 3 2-high drawers with ball bearing slides allowing easy, smooth, and quiet operation. Moreover, there is also a top compartment that is 2.5 inches in height, for a total of 2,040 cubic inches of storage. On the other hand, its low weight of just 9.46 lbs and compact size, 12 inches high, 20 inches wide, and 8.5 inches deep, make it an extremely portable unit. Using the rugged handle provided, one can easily keep this tool chest in the back of their trucks or store it in small spaces. It's slightly bigger than standard toolboxes but still quite portable even when fully loaded. Keep in mind that more drawers would increase the number of tools it can hold, and, at some point, a 150-pound unit is not really portable anymore. Pros: heavy-duty steel construction, lightweight and durable, integrated lock, powder-coated. Cons: suitable for limited use. Number 2, Stalwart Oversized Portable Tool Chest. The Stalwart Oversized Portable Tool Chest is 3 toolboxes in one, allowing it to be highly portable, useful, and maneuverable. Its unique design makes it a great choice for those who constantly move around with their tool chest. Importantly, this is one tool chest that contains 3 separate pieces. Depending on how you use this chest, you can either attach all 3 pieces or separate them. This is extremely useful if you need to transport certain tools on a regular basis. Even if you want to use the entire tool chest at once, the Stalwart Oversized Portable Tool Chest is easy to transport thanks to its adjustable carrying handle and back and glide wheels. These features will allow you to transport the entire chest, or all 3 parts, with ease. Finally, the Stalwart Oversized Portable Tool Chest is extremely durable because it is made from sturdy steel construction with a reinforced injection molded polymer. However, it's not very portable, especially on stairs, and the lower cabinets of this model lack a built-in latch. Pros: portable and versatile design. Made from durable steel. Large storage capacity. Adjustable handle and glide wheels. Cons: not easy to use on stairs. Number 3, GOPLess 5-drawer rolling tool chest. The GOPLess 5-drawer rolling tool chest is durable, easy to transport, made from high-quality materials, and comes in 3 attractive colors. In fact, there is little to say about this tool chest that is negative to begin with. The GOPLess 5-drawer rolling tool chest is highly durable. It is made from solid and durable steel, ensuring that it will last many years and protect the inside contents. Meanwhile, the wheels are made from synthetic rubber plastic material that is also durable and resistant. This chest has a detachable tool chest, which is extremely useful if you need to take tools on the go. Chest contains 5 drawers, 2 trays, 1 bottom cabinet, and 1 top box drawer. The set can be detached into 2 separate boxes. Finally, the GOPLess 5-drawer rolling tool chest comes with padding protection. This padding protection keeps the inside protected from damage in the case that tools should roll around. It also features a drawer lock rod that prevents any drawers from sliding out. It also features a drawer lock rod that prevents any drawers from sliding out. All in all, we think this is the best budget tool chest you can buy right now. Pros: made from highly durable, easy to transport, detachable box, includes interior. Cons: smaller. Number 4, CRAFTSMAN Tool Chest Combo. CRAFTSMAN is also a pretty well-known brand name when it comes to professional tools and accessories. If you already own a handful of tools made by CRAFTSMAN, the following tool chest from the same brand will house your collection nicely. In the 3rd position, we are putting the CRAFTSMAN tool chest. While it is also one of our budget-friendly picks for the best tool chest, the CRAFTSMAN tool chest also happens to be one of the strongest options you will find today. This tool chest is made up of alloy steel and the construction is done by 20 to 24 gauge steel for long-lasting durability. In the package, you will find the tool chest as well as a large cabinet for storing larger tools. Even with the heavy build quality, the unit only weighs about 30 pounds. Also, the drawers are full extension drawers so that you easily put and remove the tools from the drawers. The total load rating for the CRAFTSMAN tool chest goes up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for the heaviest of your tools. The unit measures about 18, 25 x 30, 94 x 32, 35 inches, which is quite compact for a tool chest. CRAFTSMAN is also offering a 3-year warranty period to ensure reliability. Number 5. Torin ATBT 1204B Black Rolling Tool Chest. Torin is another great option if you are looking for a decent tool chest within a certain budget range. It also offers pretty decent storage space for the price with its great build quality. This Torin Great Rolling Tool Chest is the perfect solution to organize and store various tools and equipment properly for the garage or workshop. It measures around 23 x 11 x 44 inches in size and offers 5 drawers for storage. The tool storage cabinet on the unit is removable and use it separately as a portable toolbox. There are a total of 5 drawers, 4 plus 1 pull-out drawers with slide rails, and 2 lockable cabinets, 1 on the upper top case, and one on the bottom cabinet. On this tool chest offers a lot of space for the tool collection. There are 4 durable wheels, 2 swivel casters and 2 directional wheels. At the bottom, along with its built-in ergonomically designed handle/armrest, lets you move it easily to any position for smooth movement. Furthermore, the Torin offers a 1-year limited manufacturer warranty on this product for peace of mind in its operation. It is used as an ideal option to use in the garage, warehouse, salon, and indoor/outdoor areas.